Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Okay, so this is an 8 by 10 inch canvas that's primed with matte black paint, and that's an acetate playing card. And these are interferences, and this is strictly an experiment, a one-off. This is interference gold. I think I'm going to repeat my progression. This is interference green. Interference violet. If I can get it to come out. Must have a slightly clogged tip. Just take that off for the next go round. I started with gold. Ah, there's the blue. Whoa, violet and then blue. I'll start over again. Oh, I see that thing that's got to go. Come on, gold. It'll have to do. Back to the green. Which looks like it has something in it. And it does. See if we can get the violet to work this time without its top. Much easier. And finish with the blue. Which I have moved over appropriately so I would not leave anything undone. So I've got small brushes and I want to use a series of cell activators, starting with my cobalt turquoise from Atelier. And if I don't like the way it works, I will for certain use the playing card, but it looks kind of okay. It's going to be different. So next I'm going to use the dancing fuchsia. Maybe I'll do both. Dancing fuchsia is a purely pigment. I could still tip. Maybe I should start at the other side. I have a reason to drip because I want to, maybe not. I'll just wipe my card off. I was going to say last but not least, but it's maybe not last. I might want to use something else like black. Lilac lapis. Without the cat hair on the brush, please. Must have come right off the paper towel. I just really am totally curious to find out what colored cell activators do to interference paints. Now I've got gold, I've got orange. Maybe the orange is going to be the one. It's another Atelier. I could have waggled things around, But I figured one good solid experiment, just like this, didn't go as far as I wished it would. Maybe we'll go in from the other side. Could do that with all of them actually, if I wanted to. I'm just going to take my chances. See what happens when I wipe off my brush on the... Whoops. Do I want to do anything else? I kind of do. Let's grab the black. Because we can grab a straw. That looks kind of cool. I wasn't planning on making art, but there's really nothing to keep me from having some fun. i.e. blowing into paint. It might look totally cool. I'm wondering if I have a an edge catcher handy, but I'm sure I probably do. But I'm thinking that I want to put some more cell activator where the turquoise is. Right on the canvas. Still want to use the edge catcher. I don't know that I have enough paint on here. And this one's too small, of course. Let's grab a bigger one. I'll make an attempt to grab a larger one. I have one. Yay! I could also run a skewer or a brush through there and make stripes. Maybe I'll do that. I love this. I don't love that. I'm not sure what to do about it other than to start over and swipe there. But if I swipe there, I lose all my lines. But I could still do it. And I still need to torch. And I'll have to come back to show you what's going on. Although there's a spot in here that's totally bugging me. It's providing me with incentive to make changes. I'm actually pretty happy with that just as it is. I can't wait to see what it looks like otherwise. Cross your fingers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.